Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to set out of office in Google Calendar for 2025. Whether you're planning a vacation, a work break, or just need to signal you're unavailable, this feature is a game changer for managing your schedule. It's super straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll have it set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account and open up Google Calendar. It's the app or website you use to keep track of events and meetings. Once you're in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. That's your settings menu. Click on it to open the settings panel. Next, in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Working Hours and Location. This is where the magic happens. Click on that, and you'll see options for your availability. Now, look for the Out of Office toggle or button. It's usually right there. Go ahead and turn it on. Once activated, you'll be prompted to set your out of office period. Enter the start and end dates for when you'll be away. Be precise with the times if you want, like from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can even add a custom message that appears on your calendar for others to see, such as, "On vacation, back soon." This helps colleagues know not to schedule meetings with you. After you've filled in all the details, hit the Save button at the bottom. Google Calendar will update your status automatically. To double-check, go back to your main calendar view, and you should see a banner or indicator showing your out of office is active. That's it, you've just set up out of office in Google Calendar for 2025. This feature not only keeps your schedule organized but also sets boundaries for better work-life balance. If you run into any issues, double-check your settings or reach out to Google support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more helpful tech tips. See you in the next video.